Jollibee guys, at sarap. Tapos, hindi ko pa kinain, sila rin kinain yan. So, open pa natin ito. ASMR talaga ang atake ng egg. Laman ng straw. I think it's RC. Let's, the burger.
It's a burger.
Ay. Let's go.
There's always a
So yummy.
eating this. Okay, we're gonna have a bite. And
Hungarian.
3, 2, 1. So good. So good.
And there's so many cheeses. Marami ng cheese. Look like that.
I followed my cheese also.
So good. Bye.
Did you taste mustard?
Baka mo po yan.
Hindi kaya. Kami ng soft drink. Hindi na pala soft drink. Mine is big. Ba? We're same.
Yeah.
Kaya kang hotdog ba? Kaya kang hotdog.
Tastes good, right? Right?
Rate ko na to 100 over 10. Sobrang sarap. Guys, may marami siyang cheese. And ang ganda ng design niya. So, sarap.
I'm gonna see the hot dog.
It's lying if you didn't polish the hotdog.
Okay.
Balak.
Just smell at me.
Let me taste the hotdog na walay.
Gabay na ninyo yan.
There's some more ice. Jollibee's hot dog, like inside of it. Hot dog. Yeah, what kind of hot dog is that? I want to buy it.
It's not a hot dog.
It's
I
a
think-
sausage.
I think that's chicken hot dog.
What do you mean chicken? It's not chicken.
Because it's brown, right? It's not red.
Yeah, remember, maybe it's sausage. It's sausage, Mama. It's sausage.
Paano ka lang yung kiss ko?
Wow.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Wow. Home alone again.
Hindi mo magawas, Arian ha. Isa rin ang pagkakan, be. Isa rin ang pagkakan. Nadami na si Aristel mag... Ha? Hindi mag...